Good morning, everybody. This is James. I hope you're fine. I hope you had a nice weekend. I thought about you a lot this weekend because there was lots of stuff going on in the Middle East. Welcome to this update. We are the 21st of April and Wall Street is fully confident despite all the tensions in the Strait of Hormuz and the Trump truth post this weekend. A correction is expected on the 4-hour time frame in the indices, the US indices. We're going to talk about this today. Bitcoin is retracing on the 4-hour time frame. The inflation risk would be totally off if the WTI went below $77. Wall Street seems in love with Trump. It's like a honeymoon, and it's following Trump with the second fastest rebound in the S&P 500 in history. Wall Street is going to prepare for war's arrival. The new Fed chairman from today, he's going to speak a lot. He's going to be at the Senate today. So I was mentioning you about this pump, the second fastest recovery in the S&P 500 according to the RSI on the daily time frame. Let me show you this chart, this table. So this is the second I was telling you this, the second fastest recovery in 11 days. We went from oversold to overbought in the RSI, from -30 to above 70. And this is the second fastest in record. The previous one, the first one, was in 1982. And this is why in the Fear and Greed Index, we went from extreme fear to greed. From the low of this chart, check this blue line, from here to up there in the greed section. So this was really a fast recovery. Today we're going to analyze this pump in the Nasdaq. We're going to go on the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to put myself in full screen like this, and we're going to analyze this structure. And there's a nice opportunity that could come to us in the US indices, in the Nasdaq. So let's put ourselves in bar mode, because we're going to use Elliott Wave. This is our chart. So, little exercise. Let's put this video in pause. Let's check. Tell me what you see here in the structure, and we're coming back in a couple of seconds. So, we're back. Maybe, like me, you're going to see this Elliott Wave structure, this impulse. So the first one is a 1-2, easy, which means we could be in a wave 3 according to this big upward structure, this very nice slope. Let's put ourselves in a micro white, like this. Okay, so 1-2. Then we have possibly another impulse. This is fractal, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a massive pump that could be an extended fifth. I'm going to put here in sub-micro white, perfect. So this is honestly super clean. If this sub-wave 3 ended, we could be starting sub-wave 4. And here, what I'm watching, because as you know, I track what algos do, here is what I'm watching. Just a second, I need to clean my chart here. What is this? Okay. So here I have this box that I'm tracking. This one. So I'm going to anchor myself very cleanly. You will do this more precisely on your chart. And what I'm expecting is a wave 4 that could come in this green box. That is comprised between 26,174 points and 25,821 points. This is where wave 4 could end before riding wave 5 and going to at least 27,100 points in the Nasdaq. So we could come here and make a little double top on the hourly time frame, and we could maybe make a a wave 4 in the form of a flat. Going to put my arrow in white. We could do something like this. We will have alternation, the guideline of alternation that is respected with a wave 4 in the shape of a flat after a brutal wave 2 that was pretty sharp. So something a bit less sharp here, something a bit more shallow and in the shape of a flat to alternate with this sharp correction that was maybe not a zigzag, but it was pretty sharp, to be honest. So this is the setup. Green box to ride wave 5 and target 27,100 in the Nasdaq. Will we get this opportunity? Maybe. There's maybe going to be some bad news from the Middle East, Trump being aggressive on True Social, and get this green box filled before rebounding and terminating this very nice impulse, upward impulse. So if we're breaking this golden zone here, then we will have an ABC down, and this upward structure will have to be relabeled. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, thanks to like and subscribe to the channel. And we're going to see each other tomorrow morning for another video, another update. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.